We're gonna do today's recap. As you can see, it's very, very late. Well, not very, very late, but yeah. As you can see, we lost the trade today. I had the right idea, just wrong execution. Once again, if we move on to the time frame for the day, for the bias for the day. As you can see on the 4 hour, we have been pretty bullish. Pretty bullish, especially since, we came in and then filled in. Oh, actually, we did not fill this gap, but we weren't going to come in and fill it because, we have all of these highs that need to be taken since we've been going lower these past days. So if we go here, you can see that for London lows, we had a big SMT when we first got in. We got a big SMT. You can see from here on ES, and then on NQ we had that, and then we also had London highs over here and then Asia highs. So relatively equal highs here, correct? So my bias was bullish. All right. So then if we go into market open, we can see here that we got a break of structure here. Right when market open, we also got a change in state of delivery. Where was it? Somewhere around here. We got, yeah. Honestly, I don't know if I should have counted this break of structure. It was a clear break of structure to me. However, most people took shorts today. So it was just kind of weird today because if you can see all of this chopping around, it's just market doesn't even know what to do anymore. So, yeah, essentially we got that. We swept these London lows, so then my original bias was bullish. So then we got this break of structure here. But what I didn't realize is that we got an inverse right here. We got an inverse fair value gap right after. So that would have immediately invalidated the break of structure. But I did not see that because I still needed to learn that. So after we got that 5-minute retrace, I then found this fair value gap here. This 1-minute fair value gap, got a big old strong candle. And then I got in. I got immediately stopped out seconds after. I think my mistake today was for that big bullish candle. I usually wait for a fair value gap to be made and then tapped into that one since it's such a high move. But that did not happen today. So what's it called? Sorry, I'm playing FIFA right now. I'm playing because I haven't played all week. But yeah, what was I saying? Usually when that happens, I usually tend to I tend to have a fair value gap to be formed so that then it could retrace and tap into it, so then giving me more confirmation that it's going to continue higher. However, I just went in without even thinking about it. So I went in and then immediately stopped out, and then after that this happened. Yeah, so market was kind of weird today since it's Friday, closing of week. And yeah, also I should have waited for a 5-minute retrace to close. What I mean by that is after getting that retrace, we then receive a bullish candle. Normally I don't do that, but I should have done that. So yeah, I just should have been more patient today. That's kind of like the main takeaway today. It just should have been more patient and not so eager to take a trade. The good thing about that is that since that accident happened where I actually won money, I think it might have lowered down my actually no it didn't. Yeah, lost 247 today. Yeah, no it didn't. So I still have to make $29 more essentially. We're still good. We're still up for the week. That's not bad. I'm trying to see if I can see. Yeah, never mind. Because I like how in Trade-O-Bait you can see how many days you've been winning. However, in Trade-O-Bait you cannot. So Log in. 1 second, let me show you guys this one. Oh, is this considered a new day? I guess so. Yeah, I guess so. Anyways, we'll just wait until Monday. There's no news on Monday, I believe. Yeah, no news Monday, and then on Tuesday we have Jolt's job opening, so that's gonna be a big one to look out for. And then we have a lot. We have NFP and Friday, so yeah, we're gonna look out for that. But anyways, this is my trade for today. I lost. It's all right. We move on until tomorrow and see what happens tomorrow. So I'll see you guys.